In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove duplicate values in a column. Make sure you have watched previous quick video for highlighting duplicate values. Now, what we have to do is to select both columns of the list. Go to Data tab. Click on Remove Duplicate icon. From the new window, we find the list of selected columns. We are going to uncheck Price column, as we do not want it in duplicate removal algorithm. That is, we want only name column values to be removed, if they are duplicate, not Price column to be checked for duplication. It will show you result values removed and remained. Now, as you can see, the highlights have been removed, as we do not have any duplication. That was a quick short tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you again on next video. Thanks for watching.